Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Wireless unpack and sensor networks. The core subject is to understand various broadcast authentication protocols in wireless sensor. Hierarchical protocols. So you have to know what is flat routing, hierarchical routing, and location aware routing. So flat routing is each node plays the same role and sensor nodes collaborate together to perform the sensing task. So the first one is spins, directed diffusion. So using data centric routing, the sync sends a request and wait for the data from the sensor. So spin, the characteristics of a spin protocol. So all the nodes can be assumed as a base station and all information is broadcast to each node. So user can query to any node and can get information immediately. Nodes in the network use a high level name to describe their collected data, call and all metadata. So spin sensor protocols for information via negotiation. Sensor protocols for information via negotiation. Spin is a data centric routing protocol. It assumes all nodes in the network are base station. Nodes in close proximity have similar data. Spin diagram. So we have the network. So we will be advertising. A is advertising its neighborhood B the packet. So B will give the request for that. Then A send the data. Then the A will be broadcasting the data to every other node in the network. Then B will be B request. So it will be the request will be flooded over the node. So because it is doing the broadcast, you have to do sign in the packet. Directed diffusion, elements of directed diffusion. Data is named as attribute value pair. Sync, sense, interest are disseminated through the wireless sensor network. Dissemination sets up the gradients. Data delivery. So data diffusion is a data centric and application aware protocol. Data is generated by sensor node S names, but the attribute value. But it represents distributed wireless sensor network application. Directed diffusion. Data is named as attribute value pair. So sync, sense, interest and disseminated throughput the wireless sensor network. Dissemination set up the gradients. Data sync, the B, the event. The sources, what is the gradient? Gradient is nothing but a sync here. The event is C. So it will take this way. It will cause even though all the other nodes in that doesn't have the interest on that, but it will be broadcasted. So what the question is, what is meant by spin? So list of the key characteristics of spin. Explain the spin protocol with the example, with the diagram.